Did you know that the chances of having twins have almost doubled in the past 40 years? Today, navigating through the world of parenting, twin births are more than just a rarity, they're becoming a trend. But what's sparking this twin boom? Is it advances in medical technology, changes in maternal age, or perhaps something in the water? The answers might surprise you. As we delve into the intriguing dynamics of twin births, prepare to be amazed by the layers of science involved. So what's behind this fascinating surge? Stick around as we unravel the science of twins. When talking twins, it's all in the genes, literally. Let's dive into the fascinating world of identical and fraternal twins and see how they're more different than just their looks. Identical twins happen when a single fertilized egg decides to go solo and splits into two. This split results in two babies with exactly the same genetic material. Think of them as nature's own version of a copy-paste function, but with a twist of mystery on why and how the split happens. On the flip side, fraternal twins come from a completely different scenario. Here we have two separate eggs getting fertilized by two separate sperm. This is more like a 2-for-1 deal at the genetic supermarket. Fraternal twins share about 50% of their DNA, which is no more than any other siblings. However, they do get to hang out together right from their earliest moments in the womb. So identicals are natural clones and fraternals are more like regular siblings who share a womb. Ever wondered if you could be next in line for a twin surprise? Let's dive into the fascinating factors that might just put you on the twin track. First off, genetics play a pivotal role. If the idea of twins seems familiar in your family tree, there's a good chance it's more than just coincidence. Heredity can significantly increase the likelihood of having twins, especially fraternal ones. So, if your family gatherings often feature a duo of siblings here and there, you might be carrying what we like to call the twin gene. But it's not just about what's in your DNA. Age is another key player. Women over the age of 35 have higher chances of welcoming twins. Why, you ask? Well, as women age, their bodies sometimes release more than one egg during ovulation. Think of it as nature's little boost to increase the odds of pregnancy. Now, let's talk geography and culture. Did you know that Central Africa boasts the highest rate of twin births in the world? That's right. Regions and ethnicities can influence twin rates too. Meanwhile, heading over to East Asia, twin rates are notably lower. It seems the twin lottery might depend a bit on where you're playing. Before you rush off to check your family photo album for doubles or book a ticket to Central Africa, remember, the twin mystery is a blend of many elements: genetic, environmental, and sometimes just sheer luck. If your family reunions feel like twin conventions, you might just have the twin gene. But it's not all written in the DNA, the environment has its say too. Beyond the genetic lottery, several environmental factors can significantly influence the likelihood of having twins. Let's dive into some of these intriguing elements. First up, diet plays a surprising role. Research shows that women who consume more dairy products are more likely to have twins. The theory? A protein found in the milk of cows treated with growth hormones might be boosting ovulation. So next time you reach for that extra slice of cheese, you might be unwittingly upping your twin odds. Lifestyle factors also weigh in. Higher body mass index and a diet rich in certain nutrients can increase the chances. Moreover, age is more than just a number here. Older women often have higher rates of twin births, possibly due to concentrated hormonal changes that stimulate the release of multiple eggs. And let's not overlook medical science. Treatments like IVF have made multiple births more common. These procedures can often lead to the implantation of more than one embryo, so a change in your latte could potentially double your family size. Why are we seeing more twins now than ever before? It's a question that sparks curiosity and wonder. Let's dive into the modern factors contributing to this intriguing trend. First up, let's talk about age. Women are choosing to start families later in life, and this has a direct impact on the likelihood of having twins. As women age, particularly into their 30s and 40s, their bodies are more likely to release multiple eggs during a cycle. This natural increase in egg release can boost the chances of birthing fraternal twins. But there's more to the story than just biology. Enter the world of reproductive technologies. Treatments like in vitro fertilization, commonly known as IVF, have become more accessible and popular. In IVF cycles, multiple embryos are often implanted to increase the chances of a successful pregnancy, which in turn ups the twin ante. Moreover, medications that stimulate ovulation can also lead to the release of multiple eggs at once. This isn't just about increasing the odds of pregnancy, it inadvertently sets the stage for more twin births. While these factors seem straightforward, they intertwine with broader societal changes. The shift towards later parenthood is influenced by factors like career progression, financial stability, and personal choice, all of which are reflected in the rising numbers of twin births. So, what does all this mean for the future? Well, as long as these trends continue, we might see even more twins in the years to come. Modern medicine might just be setting the stage for a twin-packed future. Twins haven't just fascinated scientists, they've captivated cultures worldwide. Throughout history, twins have been wrapped in a tapestry of myth and magic. In ancient Rome, the story of Romulus and Remus tells of twins raised by a she-wolf, who would go on to found the city of Rome itself. This tale highlights twins as figures of immense power and importance. Moving to Africa, the Yoruba people of Nigeria hold twins, or Ibeji, in high regard, believing them to bring joy and prosperity to their families. Festivals are even dedicated to celebrating the birth of twins, showcasing their significant cultural value. In North American native traditions, twins often appear as dualistic figures, embodying opposing forces of nature that bring balance to the world. This symbolism extends to the Maya civilization, where twins are seen as powerful, transformative figures in their mythology. In contemporary times, twins continue to fascinate us in pop culture, often portrayed as having a unique mystical bond. From Romulus and Remus to the Olsen twins, these dynamic duos are legendary. So, we've danced through DNA, tiptoed around technology, and even peeked into the past. Now let's tie all those threads together and wrap up our exploration into the enigmatic world of twins. Twins have always held a special place in our hearts and minds, weaving a web of intrigue and curiosity around themselves. From the earlier scenes, we've learned that the genesis of twins isn't just a twist of fate. It's a fascinating fusion of genetics and environment. Identical twins spring from a single fertilized egg that decides to divide into two, mirroring each other not just in looks, but often in ways that transcend the physical. Fraternal twins, on the other hand, are as unique from each other as any siblings, sharing about 50% of their DNA, thanks to two separate eggs being fertilized. The factors influencing twin births are as varied as the twins themselves. Genetics play a crucial role. If your family tree has twins, you might just be more likely to climb a branch with a twin sibling of your own. But it's not all written in the stars, or the DNA. Environmental factors like the mother's age, diet, and even certain fertility treatments can increase the odds of welcoming twins. This intricate interplay between nature and nurture highlights how every twin birth is a small miracle of its own. Whether it's identical twins sharing an unbreakable bond, or fraternal twins celebrating their differences, each pair adds a unique chapter to the human story. Whether it's nature's gamble or a scientific strategy, twins certainly add more sparkle to our lives. Thanks for joining this twin-tastic journey.